Hey YouTube, BA Life-Adelic. Today, we're working on the shelter. We're going to get it dialed in so we can live the life of luxury in a disaster. Check it out. Alright, here we are. So, let's check out what we got in our goodie box. So, in here, we keep some pillows, these inflatable pillows, a couple of small ones. We'll blow those up and set them under there, see how comfortable they are. Got a light. AA powered. AM FM. That's pretty good radio. That Sea Crane. We had it around, so we're going to leave it in here. Keep it in this hydrophobic storage device to just keep it fresh. Got our TV. We'll plug that in and check it out. We got some mechanical pencils. Our crosswords. Got a few books. These books aren't like novels or anything. They're basically kind of short stories. So if we're in here for a short time, not too long, a couple hours, whatever, we can read a few chapters and we don't have to worry about reading the whole book. So, let's check out the stuff. Crapola. Come on, man. So we'll blow up a couple of these comfort devices. Alright. It's not quite as big as it was in the picture, but we'll check it out. Get our TV set up. Pretty cool. So I got this monitor arm. I'm going to use it for the TV in the shelter. A little TV. So it's got this piece. I'm just going to put it on here. I'm going to use these existing holes. It only give me 2, but I think that'd be more than enough for that little TV. I think I'm going to have to make these holes a little bit bigger. Find a nut and a bolt. So I found some screws and nuts and washers. I did have to bore those holes out a little bit. Well, we'll go right in there. Check it out. This piece right here, real pain in the neck. I thought we could originally just disconnect it from here, from this piece, attach it back on there. But what we can do is we can leave this piece attached to the TV and it'll come apart here and we can just slide that in. So we'll leave this piece on and then take apart that part. Now we got our wires all set up. We can hook this in. See how flexible it is. We got plenty of room there, swing around.
Plus, new customers can save $25 when they switch today.
Today, there is little trace of the years of trench warfare that scarred the Western Front during World War I, besides the numerous military cemeteries dotting the landscape.
This arm does flex down, but it's got spring in there, and holy mackerels, it's strong. So maybe we'll figure that one out. So far, so good. All right. So we'll do this. Slide it under this cushion. The pillow up there. Yeah, that works out.
Every moment tells a story. In June 1916,
Not bad.
400 years of oppression, the Arabs
See if we can take a nap in here.
The British supported the uprising with arms and money, as well as a 27-year-old military intelligence officer, Captain T.E. Lawrence. Lawrence proved an inspirational leader and highly skilled guerrilla
You can
warfare
also use
as the
this
British
way.
life in the Caribbean. He led the Arabs in numerous
You can also use that as a back cushion.
in the deserts
Oh.
of Joshua.
Now you're talking. Here's my TV.
These raids cut off supplies
Set
and
that up
flattened
there.
out thousands of Turkish troops, which otherwise would have been deployed against the Allied armies
Luxury.
in Palestine and Mesopotamia. For over 2 years,
All right.
Lawrence was the guiding force behind the Arab revolt, as the Arab
So
armies
far, so
were
good.
to the ultimate goal.
Got our FM. Works great. Now, got to work on my AM antenna. See up there. need to get that extension on there. Need to find some wire to be able to do that. That's our next step. So I found another AM antenna. Steal the wire off of that to extend my AM. That's coming through the wall. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to see. See, on this end, I've got a ground and a white, looks like. But on that end, there's only the white. Better there, huh? Let's see. Aha! I discovered it. So this wire is insulated inside of this insulation. This wire is not. So I'm going to have to connect that to the black wire over there and this one to the white wire. There we go. So, got her hooked up. Had to switch this. This has an internal-external switch for the AM antenna. So, turn it on. See if we can get some AM. Oh yeah. Wait, it's on FM though, isn't it?
Some time in watching NFL on Sunday.
Nothing. Well, that was a lot of trouble for nothing. So, that was a fail. So, I'm going to have to do some research, see how to hook up an AM antenna. Might have to get a different type. We'll see. But I think that's going to wrap this one up. So, we're pretty much set for a disaster. We can move in there, stay pretty comfortable for the extent. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.